Hello ladies, welcome back. Sugar here. If you are new, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and the bell. And today we're doing another Amazon wig. This is a Deepwave 13x4 frontal wig. It's 150% density and it is 20 inches. So inside of the lace, I decided to use my cream contour instead of my foundation that I always use. And I'm so happy I did. It really did help me melt that lace down and just blend everything together. It's just a cheap contour palette I got from like the beauty supply a long time ago. And I use the shade that I use in my contour areas. So on my forehead, under the cheekbones, around the chin, that color is what I used on the inside of the lace. So this wig is another wig that you're gonna have to customize your ear tabs. It's not bad. I again don't really like doing it, but it's not hard to do. You just part around your ear, make sure it's a clean area, and you cut and you remove that piece and you're good to go. So I've been using my ghost bun lately. I absolutely love it. But recently I have been layering it, and you will see in just a minute. Like, I put the glue on about 2 layers, and then once I have the wig on, I then put the Got2b on top. And when I tell you it locks on, that wig is not going anywhere, girl. So as you can see, now I'm using the Got2b on top of the wig now that it's in the glue, and I'm going on top of the hairline, exactly on top, not below it, none of that, exactly where the hairline is. And I just rub it in really good, and then once I do it all the way around, I immediately take my elastic band and I tie that on. I help it along by blow drying it, and then I let it cool. So you know, you can wait a little while and then take off the band and it will be locked in, I swear. Another reason I use the Got2b on top of the glue, it is an extra security, especially out here in this heat, but I also do it to help that lace become even more transparent, and it just becomes a part of my skin, and that's what I want.